Hello, Realm of Crypto Army. Welcome back to the channel. And today we're just going to be looking at and talking about some more terror. I mean, how can you get mad at a project like this? Okay. So I'm going to cover some more. I made a video yesterday. If you guys haven't caught that video, you can check it out. It will be in my recent videos. Okay. Now, as always, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell. All right, and follow me on Twitter at Realm of Crypto 1, and I will follow you all back. Okay, you can also join a Patreon where you can choose between the $10 and the $20 plan. Links will be in the description and in the comments. Okay, and you can also cancel at any time, no problem. Okay, so look, we are seeing a correction. I did make a video yesterday, and I did mention that we will see a correction. Now, this is not the big correction that I was referring to, but we have to also expect these sell-offs, okay? Especially like the pre-sellers out there, okay? These are investors who have already made nice gains, and some of them just wanted to pull that profit, okay? So it's not to worry. No worry about that. I believe the charts will continue to stay strong. Now, remember what I said when I talked about risk yesterday, okay? That risk right there is really helping the charts. We can see how the risk is keeping the chart above that consolidation level, okay? And we should also be happy to see a lot of individuals selling. This also says it's not a whirlpool, okay? And there also, in my opinion at least, there also seems to not be any intentions for the devs to hustle you investors out there, all right? When we also look at it, there may also be like some buying opportunities also. Now, this is not financial advice. You do how you see fit, okay? But there may also be some low buying opportunities out there. Now, as expected, Bitmark put up quite the fight against consolidation. This is what I said yesterday. I said it yesterday before it happened. I told you all yesterday that the exchange listing, okay, came at the correct time. Okay, it was like an air defense missile, right, intercepting a cruise missile at the last minute. It happened right when consolidation was sneaking up. The Bitmark listing happened. All right, what I said was going to happen, it happened out there. All right, we are supposed to be look at this right here. We're supposed to be way past this right here. We're supposed to be way below this right here. We're supposed to be way down in consolidation than this right here. This is what I said. I said that risk is helping fight the charts. Okay, along with like exchange listings, it's going to help fight the consolidation period. So you have to enjoy, you have to be happy when you see something like this. All right, now I believe the team also anticipated this. Y'all have to understand this right here. There's a very mathematical team behind this project. Okay, it's like putting the stick behind the wheel of any hypercar out there and telling him to go get you the best time ever. All right, we are not supposed to be this high above consolidation right here. All right, so this is very impressive right here. All right, now some are also upset about the sell-offs, okay, but you have to understand the big picture of what's going on. Me myself, I do a lot of the born work, okay, so I understand what's going on. I understand, okay, what the team is aiming at. All right, now, like I said, Bitmark did great. Those conventional investors, remember when I talked about those conventional investors yesterday? They came stampeding in. I told you guys that was going to happen, which is also in turn going to is going to contribute in keeping the charts steady, because now you're getting a whole new wave of investors who want to hold. They already had to wait, right? They couldn't get in on pre-sale. They couldn't get in at the public launch. Okay, so now these are a new wave of holders coming in. Okay, and you got to understand this also. The longer that consolidation is steady, the longer that next wave of individuals will hold the project. You know, look, I look at all of this stuff. Okay, I be geeking out over here. I really wish that, all right, a lot of individuals out there put in the time to understand the big picture out here of how crypto works. All right, me myself, I have so much fun doing this, and it's crazy to see things before it happened. Okay, it's crazy to see things and know things that's going to happen before it happened. I have a lot of videos out there explaining things before it happened. You guys can check out a lot of those videos, not on just Terrareum, but on other past cryptos also. What else can I talk about? Also, yeah, so Terareum is also closing in on 7K holders, I think. I think they're like at 6,800 or so, or something like that. And the thing is this also, they're also planning like a big burn after Terareum hits 10K holders. And that's great because the total supply isn't as big as other supplies out there. Okay, we're talking about, I think Terareum has about 100 quadrillion or something like that. Okay, and that's small compared to a lot of these projects out there that are in like the quintillions or the sextillions out there. Okay, 100 quadrillion. Once you start burning that 100 quad, you get below that, you know, and you go further down. You're inching closer to those trillions. Okay, and that price is going to go up. Okay, so 10K holders, after 10K holders, they plan to burn 1 quadrillion of that 100 quadrillion. Okay, so imagine having like so after they burn that 1 quadrillion, it's going to put Terareum below 100 quads. Okay, so imagine burning the rest of that 99 quad in a year or two. Now, of course, you know, burns take time. Okay, to burn that much, it takes time. So we're not talking about in a matter of months. It may take a year or two. It may take 3 years. Who knows? Okay, but imagine burning that 99 quad. Okay, and one day being in the trillions. Okay, of total supply. That would be just crazy insane, wouldn't it? It would be crazy insane. Now, you know, it may happen sooner. Okay, because when we look at the holders, Terra is bringing in over 100. I mean, they're bringing over 1,000 holders a day. It seemed like probably close to 2,000 a day. It may be like kind of in that 15 to 1,700 range of holders a day. And, you know, with that being said, the burn may happen sooner than we think. Okay, we may see close also to the all-time highs again. Who knows? Okay, only time will tell. Okay, now Terareum is also ranked lower than what they are supposed to be. So if we look here, okay, Terareum, it says that they're ranked almost in the 4,000s. They're ranked 3,912. Okay, so if we look at Terareum's market cap, okay, they should be, look, this is the market cap. So they have like a 110 million market cap. They really should be ranked somewhere kind of like in the 400s. Okay, let me see. Let's look at the rank. Okay, because we know that this is not right. So Terareum is what? They're at 110,600. Okay, so we look at 110 right here. We're coming down. Okay, what they're 110.6. So Terareum should be somewhere right here, ranked kind of like in the 342 to that 341 ranking right there. Okay, but of course, you know, coin market cap. Okay, they can be petty Eddie sometime. All right, they could be petty. They could be petty about things, right? Sometime. So we'll just have to wait to they get the complete update. Okay. And CoinMarketCap may also have an issue with like this red banner. Y'all see this red banner right here? This has a lot to do with what I talked about with the risk and the developers not wanting to give up, you know, ownership. They can modify the contracts and all of that stuff. So it has a lot to do with that. It also has a lot to do with it could be they're waiting on the corrections from the short list that the CERTIC team put out. Okay, It could be any one of those. Who knows? But you know, dealing with coin market cap, who knows? It could be anything. But look, the Terarium is strong. They have a nice burn coming. That will be interesting to see. Okay, I could see another run. Okay, this is a great community. I love great communities within the crypto space. Okay, there's a strong community out there, and yeah, guys and gals out there, this is all I have. Okay, so I will catch you guys on the up and up. Howdy.